What's going on, guys? In this video, we're going to be talking about how one of our clients, Max, went from charging $800 retainers to a $40,000 retainer for the exact same thing. I know a lot of people out there are like, well, I can't charge more for what I'm doing. But the funny thing is you can actually charge a lot more for the exact same thing. It just really depends on how you package it. And it depends on one key thing, which we're going to get into in this video. So let me flip over to my screen here. So this is one of our clients, Max, and he was able to go from charging $800 retainers for $800 a month to a $40,000 retainer. And it was all because we repackaged and redid the messaging and his pitch within his sales process. Because at the end of the day, you want to attract premium clients. You don't want to attract clients that are cheap and they care about every little deliverable and all these little things. And there's some funny things we're going to get into here on the difference between cheap clients and premium clients and how you can differentiate between the two and really go after clients that make you work less and you make more, which is the benefit and the idea for everybody, right? So let's dive in. Now, if you don't know me, my name's Eric Deeran. I run a coaching program for video business owners called Master Filmmaker. I'm a DP myself, started as a freelance DP, started my own production company called Deeran Films, and now I coach other videographers on how to actually grow their video business, just like how I grew my video business. So let's jump on over here. Now we're gonna talk about the difference between premium and cheap clients. So when it comes to premium clients, they care about one thing, and it's results. When it comes to cheap clients, they care about one thing, and it's deliverables. So if you've ever worked with cheap clients, I'm sure you know this, cheap clients care about what am I getting for this amount of money? So Eric, if I'm gonna pay you $800 a month, what am I getting for that? How many videos am I gonna get? What are they gonna look like? How is the color grading gonna be? How is this gonna look? What is this gonna look like, right? Cheap clients care about deliverables, premium clients care about results. And so if you're a premium client or you're working for a premium client, they care about how is this content going to actually make me more money and how am I going to get results from it? How am I gonna get an ROI? Results is just another way for saying how am I getting an ROI, which is obviously return on investment. So what we did with Max is he was basically pitching all the deliverables of what he was going to sell his client as opposed to what the actual results are going to be for his clients. And so very simple, Max works with medical companies. I think the last video I did was about Nick, who also works with medical companies, but we basically went back to Max's clients and helped him get case studies with those past clients. And when we went back and got those case studies with his past clients, essentially we documented that we were able to help those medical companies make more money. And so what we did is we just basically took those case studies, we made them here, and we put them into his funnel. And so within Max's funnel, he had a value video, he had a calendar here, and then we put the case studies below that page with all the different medical companies that he's worked with and all the amazing results that Max got them. And then that went to a call, but all of those prospects watched these case studies prior to getting on the phone with Max. And so because of that, they were already pre-framed and pre-sold on how his service could get them a result, as opposed to exactly what deliverables they're going to get. Because he was able to assure them that it didn't really matter what type of deliverables or what type of videos he was going to create for them. He gave them an overview of what he was going to do, obviously. It mattered more about that this was a system of content that was able to get him or get these clients results and make them more money, get them more patients, get them more leads, and grow their business. And so when you're looking to pitch to premium clients, you want to focus on your certainty that this is a system of videos that's going to get them a result. You do not want to focus on what types of videos they are and selling on the quality of the videos. And that's what a lot of people do, and that's where a lot of people go wrong, is they're selling based on the quality of the videos. They're not selling based on what type of results the videos can actually get. And most video business owners don't even have case studies, so that's the number one problem because they don't even have any sort of way to document those results. And so clients are not going to pay more for the same thing if it's not going to get them a result, right? And so you need to focus on selling the vacation. Now, what does that mean? When you sell the vacation, it's like Delta. Delta doesn't sell the flight to get there. They sell the vacation and the beautiful destination, connecting with the world and traveling and all these beautiful experiences. And so for you, you're not selling the video at the end of the day. Clients don't care about video. They care about the result that video gets them. And so you need to be focusing on what result do I get my client? How can I show them that they're going to get some sort of result from the content? Because then you can go from charging like Max $800 a month to $40,000 for 6 months. And that's a huge difference because the $800 a month client is usually also super hard to work with. They nitpick, they micromanage, and they're just overall awful to deal with. Whereas the $40,000 client, they just want results. And as long as you can deliver these results, which is something we help our clients do, obviously, within content, so you're able to help your clients get results, they don't really care what you do. It's kind of like my salespeople. Like if I have a salesperson that works for me and they're consistently closing deals and consistently doing like bringing in revenue for the company, I don't really care what they do or when they clock in or how many hours they work. Like, as long as they're putting up a certain amount of production for the company and bringing in a certain amount of revenue every single month for the company, I don't really care what else they do. Like, they could take, vacations every 4 or 5 days as long as they're making the company the same amount of money. Like, I literally don't care. And so, like, I'm a premium client because I don't care what those people are doing. Like, I care as long as they get the result that I'm looking for, they're bringing in results, I don't care what else they do. It's the same thing for video clients. Like, they don't care what you do as long as you bring in results for the company. And so that's the biggest thing I'd say is, like, focus on getting your clients results and focus on getting them an ROI, as opposed to selling them on the actual content and the video and like all the little pieces of the puzzle and the deliverables, because they don't really care about that. They just want to know, how am I going to make more money with this content? And if you can answer that, you can charge whatever you want. So hopefully that was helpful. Shameless plug, if you want to learn more about what we do here at Master Filmmaker and how we help our clients charge based on results as opposed to just deliverables, there should be a link around this video somewhere to book a call with me or my team. And we'd love to speak with you and see if we could possibly help. So with that being said, hopefully this was helpful, guys, and we will see you in the next video.